Hello, guys, welcome to Placement Talks. Hope you all are doing great. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do so and hit the bell button to get the latest off campus updates or government jobs updates. I have some good news to share. Dates have been announced for the TCS NQT 2021 batch. TCS NQT for 2021 passouts, also known as TCS Ninja, is expected to be happen on October 24, 25, and 26, 2020. TCS is expected to put up an official announcement immediately. The dates have been confirmed by TCS and the partner colleges have been informed about them as well. The registration process is expected to happen on TCS Campus Community next step platforms. Once notification is out, the registration process will be begun. Students from across the country who fit the eligibility criteria will be allowed to register for the process. Stay tuned to the space for updates on the registration and eligibility criteria. Register yourself on TCS Next Step portal now. आपको टी सी एस नेक्स्ट पोर्टल पर क्लिक करना पड़ेगा. इट इज़ वाइडली एक्सपेक्टेड दैट द टी सी एस एन क्यू टी फॉर 2021 पास आउट्स नेशनल क्वालिफायर टेस्ट ऑल्सो नोन एज टी सी एस निंजा is expected to happen on October 24, 25 and 26, 2020. There's an official notification that would appear from TCS soon, along with which the registration process will also start. If you are getting your preparation started, let's try to understand the process from last year. TCS NQT for 2020 पास आउट्स रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस बता देता हूँ मैं. द TCS NQT for 2021 पास आउट्स NQT also known as Ninja is primarily to hire candidates for the role of Ninja developer और ट्रेनिंग इंजीनियर. जॉब रोल रहेगा आपका ट्रेनिंग इंजीनियर का और निंजा डेवलपर का. TCS इज हायरिंग फ्रेशर इन द नेम ऑफ TCS NQT फॉर निंजा डेवलपर और ट्रेनिंग इंजीनियर रोल. आपका सैलरी पैकेज क्या क्या रहेगा? TCS निंजा पैकेज फॉर फ्रेशर इज 3.36 to 3.6 LPA. अब टी सी एस एन क्यू टी फॉर 2021 पास आउट्स की फ्रिक्वेंटली आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन बता देता हूँ क्या क्या है. व्हाट इज टी सी एस एन क्यू टी टेस्ट? इट इज़ अ टेस्ट कंडक्टेड बाय टी सी एस टू रिक्रूट फ्रेशर्स अक्रॉस द नेशन. दिस इज अ national test and hence would happen on the same date to everyone. It's widely expected to happen on October 24, 25 and 26, 2020 this year for 2021 pass outs. What is the package for freshers in TCS NQT? TCS offers 3.36 to 3.6 LPA for freshers who got recruited through this. Are TCS Ninja and TCS NQT the same? Yes, TCS has recruited freshers in the name of TCS Ninja in the year 2018. Since 2019, it is referred to as TCS NQT. Is there a possibility of landing a TCS digital job role through TCS NQT? As of 2019, yes, this is possible. Toppers from NQT will be shortlisted to appear for a TCS digital test followed by interview. This way you can land a 7 LPA digital job role at TCS. What is the difference between TCS Digital and TCS Ninja? TCS Digital is a 7 LPA role that involves candidates working in the digital technology division on TCS such as big data, internet of things, virtual reality, blockchain, etc. TCS Digital is having its recruitment process on October 3 and 4, 2020 in TCS Premium Institution. TCS NQT Ninja is recruit to students for the 3.36 to 3.6 LPA job role. This is typically an all India process. Students from non TCS premium institution are allowed to participate as long as they fit the eligibility criteria. What is the difference between TCS CodeVita and TCS NQT? TCS CodeVita is primarily a competitive coding contest and aimed to rewarding the top coders from across the globe. It starts with a pre-qualifier and top shortlisted candidates also move further rounds to ultimate fight for prize money. It is also an opportunity to land a direct interview for TCS. Rank holders from the TCS CodeVita pre-qualifier are shortlisted and called for a direct interview for the role of Ninja developer. If they perform well, they gave an opportunity to upgrade the package to TCS Digital 2. The advantage of being called for the direct interview through CodeVita is that candidates need not attempt the online test that is conducted through TCS NQT Ninja. The NQT or the Ninja on the other hand is direct recruitment process that begins with an online test, technical interview and the managerial or HR interview. What are TCS premium colleges? This is a list of colleges that are partner accredited by TCS. It is the TCS premium colleges who are eligible for October 3 and October 4, 2020 process of TCS Digital. I am not from a TCS premium college and I am allowed to appear for the TCS NQT Ninja. Yes, it is an all India process. What year pass out is this for? This is for only 2021 pass outs. How to register for TCS NQT? TCS will open up an official notification along with registration process. Stay tuned to this space on a update on the same. I am appearing for TCS Digital through my college, which is the TCS Premium College. If I fail to crack TCS Digital, will be allowed to participate in the TCS NQT? Yes, you can allow to participate in the TCS NQT. अब एग्जाम पैटर्न बता देता हूँ, क्या क्या एग्जाम पैटर्न और सिलेबस। एग्जाम पैटर्न और सिलेबस के लिए मैंने एक अलग से वीडियो बनाया हुआ है, आप उधर देख सकते हो, आई बटन पे मैं आपको वीडियो की लिंक प्रोवाइड कर दूंगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो, प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। आई विल प्रोवाइड दी also subscribe my telegram channel link. I will provide the telegram channel link in the description below. Bye bye, see you soon.